Hey guys, boys and girls, ladies and germs. I am just getting some things updated here and we will get started. Gosh, I have to remember where everything is at on this Windows system. I really need to get my camera working in Linux because this is absurd. Speaking of, let's see if it's going to, hey, there I is. Cool. Alrighty. Da, da, da. All right. I have been trying. See, I did a major update. Oh, it's all committed, right? Yes, it is committed. So I should just be able to find it and run it. So workspace. Do I have, where is that all at? It's not under any of that. You know what? It might be on my external drive. I'm just gonna, unless it's in here. No. That's cool. I'm just going to clone it. Because it should be all up to date on GitHub. Although he has, there's a separate repo. Do I have it on my other computer? Sorry. I can sync it later. So, it's a Forge TR? No. I logged in? I am. All right, we'll just find it this way. Repositories. Forge NFT TR. That was close. The TR is standing for Turbo Repo because this is a Turbo Repo application, and a big part of what I did recently, 2 months ago, was to update it to, you know, I probably should check. Okay, yeah, I think we're good. Let's see here. Yep. Okay. Sorry. Just wanted to double check and make sure the stream was actually working. Let's see here. And adjust my chair. Okay. Thing is that the client he was not able to run this locally on their machine. So what we're going to do is first get it working through WSL. You know what? And this is not personal, so let's add this to like a contract directory just to keep it separate. Git clone. Right. So I did the hard part of getting this all updated to the most recent version of like Turbo and everything the last time I worked on it. So hopefully this time it should be relatively straightforward. All right. So let me think here. Let me create a Docker file. And you know what? I'm going to see if I can do this real fast with some AI assistance. What image should we use though? Should we use Alpine or like a lightweight Ubuntu? Let's see here. We use one of the node images probably. So let's see here. Oh, you know, I'm gonna get myself some music going, but let me make sure desktop audio is off because you guys don't need to hear. Well, I would love to share with you guys, but at the end of the day, I don't have licenses for this music, and I don't want to get DMCA'd. All right. Now, Node. Docker Hub, Node.js, and we want like the newest is 22? 23. And like the Alpine version would be great. So if we just do 23, or is 23, oh, their default would be Bookworm. I think, what is the default image? I feel like it's whatever 23 is, which would be Bookworm. Yeah, I actually don't know really anything about Bookworm. Cool. That is next Bookworm. Oh, it's a Debian release. Oh, cool. Okay. I like Debian. And that would be pretty hard. The only thing about using an image like this is that depending on the dependencies, in this case, we are using Sharp. It might run into some issues, but I mean, I had this running with this tech stack minus, you know, the updates years ago, so should be fine. Let's go ahead and try it. So let's just say, sorry. Keys are hard, cursor. All right. Using Node 23. Bookworm. Create a, or wait, I guess we should say create a Docker container that can run our application using the Node 23 Bookworm image. So there's multiple things. Let me remember here. Oh, there's a new update. I want to do that in the middle of all this. Generally speaking, yes, because I don't want it to like throw an error in the middle of all this because it's behind. It hasn't, I mean, in Cursor's defense, I have not run into that problem really, but I have had some glitchy things that happen every now and then when I'm behind a version, and I wonder if it has to do with like, you know, mismatch APIs or something like that. All right, are we back up and going? Cool. Yeah, it doesn't take long, luckily. Otherwise, I would not have. Because I can wait. Anyways, time for some green drink. Sorry, I will mute next time because I know some people have issues with those sorts of sounds. Anyhow, all right, so try again. Okay, so create a Docker container, can run our application using the Node 23 Bookworm image. Oh yeah, that's what I wanted to do. And if I run like, so first I need a PNPMI, let's install everything. Cool. And should be pnpm dev. So when oh, something blew up. Oh yeah, I need all my auth secrets. Hold on. Okay, so here's my example file. This is like the thing that like just drives me the most nuts about streaming. Um, they're all on this other computer. Normally I have like a KVM sort of situation set up between these, but this is my other computer. Great. You guys get to hang out for more admin stuff. I'm gonna install Synergy. Wow. Brain needs to work. Synergy from Simless. And I'm holding it off on the other screen because yep, there's my serial key. That's what I thought. Not want that. Okay, so weird thing about, wait, are we doing 3 point? I thought we were going back to 1.0. What's running on the other system? Show config, sorry. Oh, it is version 3. Okay. So this is the right one. Because I should even check. Okay, while this is going, I'll make sure I even have the files on my other system, or the environment variables on my other system. Otherwise, I'm gonna have to, I think I shipped them to him before. So so I'm gonna have to reboot anyways. Well, that's a huge bummer. I'll say okay for now. Okay. We'll see if we can get this running without. Wait, I thought. Oh yeah. Wait, huh? Hmm. All right. In the meantime, yeah, I need to have all that stuff set up. Let me find it. So it should be over here. Actually, I wonder if it's on my external. Oh, I think it's here. No, I don't want to restart right now, but if you can let me cross over, that would be great. Because there's everything I need. And here's this. Cool. So I'm gonna bring that over here. So right now it's not letting me get there. In fact, it doesn't even recognize the Mac on the same network. Can I do this? That let me? No. Oh, I need to make this the primary, probably. No. I'm not connected to Wi-Fi. No, I'm not connected. Oh man, what a pain in the butt. Okay. Backup plan. Let's see if it is on the external drive. Sorry guys, I should have prepared better before starting stream today. Checking my external drive for my mobile workspace. It is not there, but it's an external drive. I can. Oh wait, but it's set up as a drive. I would still have to. I can't eject it. Oh, what can I connect? I can connect. Sorry. I can connect an SD card, probably. Let's see here. Sorry, hold on. No, I'm all over the place here. Do this, do that. Just turn this off for a second because I don't need you guys. Yeah, I don't know what kind of angles I'm going to be at here. Okay, I successfully have an SD card connected to the MacBook. I can copy this data. Finder. Find this SD card, hopefully. Locations, no name. Oh, that's my 3D printer card. That's fine. New folder, dump code. Copy that and paste that. No, that doesn't work. Of course it doesn't. Mac, or not Mac, it's actually a VS Code thing. Like the ability to like copy paste files from VS Code. Let's see here, so I'll just do this through terminal. Where is the mount point under terminal? Is it MNT? No. Media? Or maybe it's under volumes. Try that. Oh, that's not it. I mean, there is a volumes. Bin dev private. Huh. System? I doubt. Okay. Is there an open in terminal sort of locate thing? No. Microsoft actually has that. Windows, which I appreciate. Oh, sorry. You guys can turn this back on. All right. Oh, derp. I can just go into, let's see, get a new tab open here and go to my home. No, not recent. It is just always wild to me how hard Mac makes it to traverse their file system. All right, here we go. Workspace. And I want the. Oh, but of course you're hiding the dot whatever files. Oh, jeezy Louise. How do I turn that off? Or show? Show view options. All right, we will. Oops, sorry about that. That is something I need to do. Oh, right. Sorry, I just need to check a system real quick. We had those. Let's see, what's today, the 18th? Nope, still nothing. Sorry. Playing go between. Okay. Try again. So, oh wait, also, is that right? Is that right? That's right. That's not all right, unless. I don't know why I don't think that the stream details are right yet, so let's fix that. Okay. And asking. Sorry, I'm freezing here. Okay. How do we unhide files that start with dot in Mac OS? That's here. In Mac OS, how do I show files that start with? Let me just say show hidden files. Hidden files in Finder. 4 easy ways. Gosh, clickbait's the best. Got the Apple Stack Exchange. That should probably be good. I'm sorry, what? There's some console commands. Well, who doesn't love just running random console commands? And then I have to kill Finder. Sure. I'm sure that's fine. Hey, yeah, there they are. Cool. That can go there. This can go here. And then I can eject it and bring it over to my main computer. And that was a ridiculous exercise in... If this was my Linux PC, I wouldn't have any issue. Sorry. SD card reader dongle thing for my MacBook's attached to the back of my monitor on purpose. Okay, let's see if I can copy this over without accidentally exposing it to everybody. And to do that, I'm gonna drag it over here because there's no way. I mean, it's gonna happen. It always happens. There we go. It's open. And temp code directory. There's my .env. I'm gonna move it over to here. Yep, I'm gonna replace it because this is exactly everything I want. I am probably gonna need to update the, let's see here, I need to update the secret. So I have a NextAuth secret that I want to generate a new key for. We'll put that in place. These don't need to be anything, but they need to be set. Those are all set and they are accurate, so I don't want them to be seen. Okay. Now, if I try and run, I guess I'll be replacing that in a minute. pm dev. Aw, we're still brokey. What's the, yeah. Example. That's interesting. So it's still saying these things aren't found? Sorry. They are definitely all there. Let's see here. Auth. It's underneath my mouse. There we go. Auth. Discord ID. Oh wait, that's different. Auth Discord secret. Did I change these? Oh, wait, I think, did I have access to my other drive? No, I got, no, this is Ubuntu. At some point I figured out a good way to give me access to my Linux drive within Windows, but I think it's a command that I have to run to mount it because it's not just here. Because I don't have to restart. I mean, I should have. I could have been done already, and then it wouldn't be a problem. Let's see here. Okay, let me check my Notion because I am pretty sure that's where I stored the um, command. Let's see here. Mount WSL. WSL dash dash mount physical drive 1 P2. I don't know if this is gonna be the right. I think this is the way though. This is the way. I'm just curious. How did I? Is is that gonna be right? I'm try. Oh wait, no. This needs to be done in PowerShell. Oh, we want to run this as an admin. All right. Uh-huh. There we go. Okay. There we go. Well, bummer. This did work the last time I needed it, but I have a feeling that like something in here is slightly different, and I don't remember exactly how to look it up. It's probably like an F-disk thing. All right, this is becoming ever more frustrating because basically I have a feeling that. Oh, you know what I didn't do? Or did I? No, I just cloned it. Yeah, so it's brand new. I was going to say, did I update it? So I'm assuming I changed some things around, but I don't remember doing it. So here's the deal. I'm just going to reboot and I'm going to check and I'm going to see what they are. Because I don't want to have to do all this over again. And I don't know why exactly I would have changed these things. But you know what? Maybe I can... Sorry, close the end file before I bring it back over. If I look in the NJS, and boy, I am just env MJS. Okay, do I have notes in here at all? Auth Discord ID, auth Discord secret. Why would I have changed those? Fixed environment variable references front end. So I did do it. All right, well, let me... I don't suppose I updated in the example, did I? No, of course not. And by of course not, I mean, actually, I usually do, so I'm kind of surprised. But let's see here. Auth secret's the same, except, oh no, that's next auth secret. So let's say, why would I have that different? I'm just racking my brain. I know like I was over, I was kind of in a sprint to get all this stuff taken care of, and now I have very little memory of a lot of it, and that is unfortunate because it would be really helpful right now. So let's see here. I wonder if there's some sort of conflict or something. I don't know. I'm gonna change them back to the defaults because I feel like that is. Sorry, I think I can bring this on screen for now. I'm gonna have to bring it back over in a second to do it in the main file, but it's here. So we got database URL, we got next auth URL. which isn't even here. Is that even in the newer versions of Create T3 app? I don't remember. But we have our Discord client ID, which is this. Discord client secret is this. The database URL is fine. I don't think I need that for this. API key. Okay, so that's there. That's there. Okay, let me do the same thing, or wait, no. If I'm updating this, it should update that. But I'm gonna need a record of what they were because obviously it's here. This was only in the, wait, if this was only in those places, sorry. Then I'm not even, oh, that's right, because it's being used by NextAuth. So it really does need to be the, I don't know why. I'm so confused, but that's okay. All right, so that's done. We're gonna put these down here. And this goes here. And the .n file should be client ID. All right, now I got to bring it back over. Okay, what am I missing? It literally is set. Why is this being weird? I wonder if it has something to do with being copied from Mac. I don't know. I'm just gonna recreate it real quick. File.env. Paste this all in here, save it, try and run again real quick. Oh, we're still running into issues. Discord client ID, which is set. Discord client secret, which is set. Trying that. No, that doesn't have anything to do with it. No, hold on. I can drag this out here. Oops. There. Okay. And it'll probably end up causing me problems anyways. But for now, at least I can have that on our screen so we can see on this screen what I'm doing. But okay, so this and this are actually, sorry, here we go. The same. Okay, so Discord client ID, Discord client secret. So this is where it's coming in at. I kind of want to update to like the newer version. And so we got our auth secret, which is actually next auth secret. So let's do that because that is that, and that is that. Yep. And let's double check the code base. Next auth secret is used in the README, and then yeah, so it's used by next auth, but it's not used by my code, which also, you know, double down. We really need it to be what it originally was. So, okay. There we go. Sorry. These are the sort of small errors that like I when I'm running like full speed, right? Like when I'm actually doing development, like it goes really fast and it's very satisfying. And then I get stuck on something like this. Okay, so next auth secret is set. Discord client ID, Discord client secret. These are set and they are named correctly. Does this have something to do with the turbo? This has its own, right? Oh, this is probably, maybe it's from here. So let's say Discord client ID and Discord client secret, which again, these don't actually even need to be in here, but let's just see if that's kind of, are they still there? Did they go away? No, they are still there. Discord client ID and client secret and database URL, which, okay. First of all, well, okay, yeah, so they might need to be here. I want to remember to check that later because none of these are client, right? These are all server side, which of course the next application includes all of our serverless functions. So it might need them, but all right. So let's see here. Why am I getting this error? Let's check the package. What is my command? So dev is running, turbo run dev, and this stuff. Yeah, so it's just supposed to be running the front end. I'm going to insert there. Okay. When in doubt, we can turbo clean. Oh, what? Oh, this might have something to do with it. I might need to install this here. So let's just first check NVM. Yeah, I'm behind on node version. So ls. Yeah, so I want to NVM install LTS asterisk, the newest LTS, which is 22, not 23. Let's do that. Actually, we'll keep that in mind. Okay, and then I need to install npm globals. I've got a script that might actually be out of date even. Hold on seconds here. Yeah, although hopefully that doesn't break everything. Because I don't think I've tested it on WSL, but I have a script that basically just installs the common npm stuff that I use, like Vercel and Turbo, I believe. I'm hoping should be in there. All right, so now if we nvm ls, no, that's not, wait, what? Oh, that's not dash ls. It's just nvm ls. There we go. Yeah, now we're using 22. Okay, so that should help. And then turbo clean. Do I have turbo installed now? I don't. Okay. I'm pretty sure it's just turbo. Set pmig turbo added. Okay. And then try again. Oh. Let's, where is it looking? Yeah, that should be fine. Because this is what gets ls, like it's soft linked to the current node version. But I'm just gonna close this terminal and open a new one. Nope, still no turbo. Don't like that. Oh, I'm still on the old npm too. Oh wait, which npm nvm? What version? I bet it's set to the alias for default is set to iron. Okay, so nvm alias, which comes first. I think it's default, and then I'll say lts slash asterisk. Yeah, okay. nvm use default. Okay. Now, how about turbo clean? All right. Very clean. npm clean. Or pnpm, sorry, pnpm clean. We're just gonna Nuke. Yes. That's fine. pm. Install everything all over again. And let's try npm dev. Ah. All that for the same thing. Okay. So we've done the have you tried turning it off and on and again solution, basically. That's more or less what we just did. I have my environment variables open over here. They're not right. You know what? There is something I can try. And of course, sorry, I'm going to pull this off to the side. I don't know how it's going to react when I just click on it because it's open in another window. Yep, it would have just shown everybody. Love that for me. Local? I'm renaming it to .local because I was running into weird stuff with... No, okay, that did not do it. .env.bell. No, it doesn't matter. Sorry, I was running into some things where for some reason the default .env was not loading. And I had to have it like .env.local or .env.development.local or, you know, something like that. So why are you not loading? So if I'm in here and I'm looking at this, does this need, if I look at the, what is it? npm t3 env. Sorry, I think it's right here, right? Oh yeah, at t, yeah. Ooh, at t3 os env NextJs. I might need to like basically just update to the newest yeah, no, it shouldn't, it does not normally need the .env loader. Okay. Well, how far off am I from this right now? Create env. Also, what version am I using? Oh, that's right. And they'd be in here. 0.12, and what version are we on now? Same. Okay, so we're up to date. Okay, so it is not, shouldn't be that. But hey, whenever I say shouldn't, that's when it's like it's definitely that, right? And I don't think it had anything to do with, yeah, global dependencies.env and turbo. Oh, that's right. They were actually wanted, no, I just remembered in the newer version of turbo repo, the best practice is actually to have your .env in the specific folder or like app specific basically. So I need to put it in the Next.js. I also am going to need to put it in, sorry, DB? No. Yes, probably, because this is going to need access to the, well, we'll try one at a time and see where we get. All right. So I've added the .env file up here under front end. I totally forgot about that. Hey, all right. And if we load this up, we get something, possibly. Yay. Thank God of Gorge. Beautiful. So Now, the question is, with how this is running, it'd be nice if this ran like, no, I was gonna say it'd be nice if this ran Prisma Studio also by default, which I know I've done before. Yeah, because that's, yeah, so if let's include DB then when we're filtering. I think this is how filter. I think I also need to do a second filter, basically. Filter. Okay, let's try that. And boom and boom. Hey, cool. Okay, so this is what I want. And the reason it was important for me to do all of that before getting to the Docker file was that I'm going to also need to expose 556. So port 3000 and 5556 need to be available and exposed to the host. I think it's just the host. And I want it so that all the directories. Am I going to need to package all of this up into something? Am I going to need to roll it up? Because what I want is I want it to be able to. I want to be able to edit the code right here and save and have it automatically, so it needs to be a volume. So like the root directory of this project should be, what does that matter? As here, maybe I can just say I want to be able to update the code in my IDE and have the changes automatically applied or reflected in the Docker container. I think it's like just a volume, but let's see what the agent comes up with. I'm gonna leave it on auto. I haven't used this much, the auto feature, but I'm gonna give it a shot because I'm curious to see how well it works. All right, so let's give that a shot. Yeah, so hope you create a Docker file that says, so what are we doing? Run core pack enable and core pack prepare pm. I wonder what? Okay. I don't know if that's necessarily necessary, but it might be. All right. Oh, I can definitely close this down now. I don't want that mucking things up. Okay, so what do we got? Ready to do the core pack enable, blah, 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 blah. I wonder if I throw this in a search, what do I get? Like, is this a thing? Yeah? Okay, well, we'll see what happens down the line with this, right? Okay. But that's fine. Work directory is /app. That is not gonna, that I don't think that is gonna be accurate. Get update, get. Why do I care about get? This lock. All right, I am just really curious if this is gonna work. So I don't see anything in here that's gonna totally fail, but I don't think that maybe that'll work. We'll find out. Okay, so Docker compose up build. Oh, that's right. I need to start Docker, which means I'm gonna need to close this and this. Docker desktop does a weird thing where like it injects itself into WSL. Super interesting. I can't come up with any other examples of applications that do it like this. All right, I've got Docker desktop up, and now if I come back in, oh, there was a next file. What else did it do? Oh, we have a Docker compose. Okay, this is because they're going to run separately instead of together. I don't, it's not, Again, let's see how it works, and then I'll come back and say how I think it should have been done, because I'm just really curious. Maybe this will do things better than the way I thought. So let's try Docker compose up build. Yep. Okay. That's interesting. Is this because I need a solid reboot? Or I bet I need to update this. It's not a major update though. It's only a handful of minors. But the Docker AI agent offers deep on it's interesting. I obviously am not like anti AI. Like I think that there are, issues that are legitimate that need to be considered and discussed. But it is just the knee-jerk reaction of these companies to put AI into everything. Like, this is AI makes sense. Absolutely. I can produce so much more code with AI assistance. I mean, even if it's just naming variables for me, like that's a huge win, right? But I am curious with something like Docker Desktop, like what is their agent supposed to be doing? And is it useful? Who is it useful to? Or did they just put it in there because some product owner was like, we have to have AI in this? And the developers were like, how? I don't know. Just make it work. All right, ordering ink. No progress bar to speak of, so we are still installing. All right, installation succeeded. It should be rebooting. Let's see what we get. I hope I don't have to reboot my computer. Sorry. Yeah, I hope I don't have to reboot the whole thing for this. Wait, is there literally an update already? All right. I probably need to dump that. I did not open that back up yet. Shouldn't be that. Okay. Docker compose up build. Maybe? Hey, that actually worked. Not gonna lie, I was not particularly confident that that was actually gonna work. But hey, cool. So now we're building. If this actually hosts the way I want it to, like out of the box, I'm gonna be relatively impressed. Build. Okay. So the copy in the Docker file. Copy non-directory. I mean, dot is a directory. Well, let's see. We'll give it. I guess we'll just give it the whole thing. Oh yeah, that's right. This is one of the things I don't really like about cursor. I think I would like it more if I understood better how it works, but like I just pasted and it's right here. But how do I reference it? Is it just referenced? And like, is there a name for it? It's here. Reference the error copied from the terminal. Let's just ask it. Yeah, like so. Please suggest concise resolution to the error. Is that why though? I don't think that that's why. I mean, I'm because it's the copying of the dot, not the node modules that's running into problems. Oh, because it's a non-directory. Sorry, I think it is right because it's a non-directory because using PNPM, it's all like symlink based more or less. Like that's why I use PNPM over like just vanilla NPM. It handles dependency resolution slightly better in my experience than vanilla NPM, and then it basically creates like a cache and like a system cache, and it references that cache for any node installations across the system. So, you know, I've got like 20 different projects and they have 20 different node module folders, maybe more if they're Git repo, turbo repos like this. It was taking literally like hundreds of gigabytes, if not a full terabyte, just of dependencies. And so like to have those shared, the amount of space that is being taken is so much less. Like it is in night and day. So besides the dependency resolution, I also am all about just saving the space, not having those things replicated over and over and over again across my system. Git ignore. Sure. I mean, it makes sense, sort of. Yeah, there's no public because there's no public and there's no apps. Or there is apps. That's right. Okay, there's apps. See here. So let's just get rid of public because there is no public. I think it's thinking about like, okay, let me reference this. Is on what version of Turbo Repo? It's Turbo 2, right? Turbo, yeah. Turbo Repo 2.3 mono repo. We're by running npm dev from the project root, it should spawn 2 services, the main app and Prisma Studio. Okay, there is public directory, but there is packages. Did they have did they add packages? Packages is there. Let's just let it do this, do its thing. See if there's any other. I wonder why it added OpenSSL for that. That's interesting. I mean, I remember actually having some issues with OpenSSL, specifically relating to the Prisma stuff. But it's interesting that it would add that. I'm not mad. I just don't know if it's even necessary. Okay, so we're getting rid of the get ignore. I guess that's fine because we're not doing any committing from there. And it's running pmpmdb generate, which is probably important. In fact, that could be a weird thing. I mean, I just want it. Sorry. Like, I just want it to run a version of what's here. And it needs to live update everything, meaning it needs like. I wonder when that happened because that was working. Like I said, I had updated from like the, I don't know, the 0 point something version, or maybe it was a 1 point something version of Turbo Repo up to 2.0 now. So there was some very major changes. Okay, so yes, that did not generate cases, our apps and packages here. Okay, so if I go back to, say, Turbo Repo, I want to look at the, what is the suggested? Let's start with an example. Let's look at the kitchen sink. So if I'm looking at the kitchen sink example, it does not have workspaces, but we have PNPM workspace. Okay, I mean, I'm sure there was a reason, but that's kind of frustrating. I need a new file, so PNPM. Oh, is it automatically generated? Or I made it myself 2 years ago. So I had this back at the, maybe it's reducing redundancy, and this is not 9 point whatever, this is 10 point. Let's hear. Oh, I don't like that. Let's see here. I don't remember how I installed this PNPM here. Hopefully it was via npm. That would not be, that's not where that would be. Okay, it's fine. I'll update PNPM later. Like, didn't I just do a self update? We remember that, right? PNPM self update. Hey, that's pretty smooth. Okay. I love it when I see stuff like that where there's like, yeah, this needs to be done. Oh yeah, that heck yeah. Okay, anyways, that needs to be done. Like, let's just do it. Okay, so coming back to where were we? We failed on generate because that is there and that is there. Okay, so let's try again. Now that we've removed the thing. You know, watching Docker containers build is just riveting stuff, right? Okay. Yeah, command db generate is not found. It is part of this. No? Oh no, it's part of packages db package, right? It's in here. There we go. db generate. Okay, so db generate is here. Do I need to have it in it's your tasks db generate? No, yeah, I have a task for it. And the inputs are not that though. The inputs are sorry, I just is it pack do I'm assuming it's just db prisma. And then I need to run like, was it turbo db generate? Because I updated. Okay, let's sorry, we're gonna utils. I'm just gonna install it directly. G turbo. Okay. npm I G latest. Okay. So let's try again. Turbo db generate. Oh wait, and I'm back on 20? What the heck happened? Oh, what the? Wait, what? No, seriously, what? VMLS. Yeah, default is LTS slash whatever. What? I think I know. So, like, I ran into some issues on my MacBook that were similar, where for some reason the terminal in Cursor like ends up with these sticky session things that are like, even if I trash it, nvm ls, yeah, see, it's still going here and picking up from these old systems anyway. So nvm ls use default. Wait, what? Oh, I'm confused now. Oh, use default. There's no ls there. There we go. Okay. Now I'm curious. If I go ahead and close this and open this back up, ls. All right, I'm not gonna solve that with you guys right now because that's ridiculous. Oh my gosh, that is gonna be so frustrating. Let me just check real quick. Grab default. After installing set default alias, yeah, that's nvm alias default set default. Yeah, that's, yep. Always default to latest available. Let's try this because this is the official way to do it, right? So let's try that. Okay. And then we're gonna just one more time. Is this persistent or nope, it dumped me back again. Oh my gosh. Why does it do that? That is incredibly frustrating. Okay. That's a problem for another day. I feel like I semi resolved it on my MacBook, but I just have to go through the command history and see what I did. Use default. Okay. And is Turbo here now? Because I already installed it. Version. Yep. Yes. Okay. So Turbo db generate. Yes. Okay. So Turbo db generate, but then I can run it like pnpm dlx. PNPM Turbo. That way it is not needing to like let's try it out first. No, because it's not yeah, installing globally. Although I can say run pnpm or actually, yeah, pnpm G or install G turbo. Let's do that. And then I should be able to just run turbo generate. Okay. Let's try this. All right. More riveting content. So this is where we do more green drink. Oh, I just realized my computer says it's 12:46. I was running into issues with this before too. Let's see while that's running. Just in time. It is auto sync now. That's better. It runs into issues every now and then. Oh, like my face just froze up because I updated the time. Interesting. Let's turn that off. Try rebooting the camera while we're still waiting for... It's interesting that the this build is like frozen. All right. Try turning that back on. Nope, I'm still frozen. That's fun. It happened yesterday too. I don't know why. I'm not gonna worry about it too much right this minute. You guys didn't, really need my face hanging out there anyway. I don't know what happens if I go to, wait, hold on. I'm gonna turn it back on. Wait for things to come up. Yeah, so if I go to the camera only, is it that? Oh yeah, that's awesome. All right, sorry. I'm just curious now. And it is still building, right? What's up build? What's happening on this side? Images. Oh, I can actually get rid of some of these things. Especially 4 gigs of... Man, I reduced that so much. I think I got it down to like... It's under 500 megs. Yeah, I think this was one of the later versions. And now I'm curious what this one's going to be. Oh my gosh. Yep, there's that. There's that. I don't need that. I definitely don't need any of these. No wonder I was running out of disk space. Holy moly. That is so wild. Oh my gosh, I gotta keep better track of that. Okay, I don't think I actually need these either, but no big deal. I'll wait until I figure it out. I don't really use that. Yeah, I can definitely rebuild that again later if I need it. Oh. Because the web UI, yeah, I don't use that. And if I decide to use it again, I can definitely reinstall it. All right, so let's nuke that. Nuke this. Nuke this. Nuke this. Wow. There's a lot of stuff here that like... see, these are awesome. See, this is the kind of project where like they did their homework. Like Bionic GPT, like I used them very, very briefly, but obviously props to whoever is building their containers. They are doing it right, clearly. Oh, I kind of remember that. Holy moly. What was 20 gigs worth of stuff? Oh my gosh. What the what? Holy moly. Wow. Well, that's save me a little bit of space there. Also, Redis was for an experiment. Don't need it. Don't use that right now. This is another one of those. I got down to 500 megs. Looks like I still have work to do. This is an old thing. These two things I potentially need. I'll hold on to them for now. Okay, where are we at? Did it ever? Okay, it eventually went through, but it still failed. Wait, oh, wait. Yeah, that should. Oh, I need to install PNPM. I can do that from npm install. I'll just do install g npm and turbo at the same time. Hopefully, let's try that. Okay, now we're going. I wonder if I like ran out of space and that's why it was not doing the thing. Okay. PNPM already exists. Oh, because I did it up here. Okay, that's fine. But then why wouldn't it let me install with -g down there? I don't think it particularly matters, but I don't like it. I'd like to clean that up. Come on. So what was the next step after this, according to them? Yes? Wait, what? Oh, that's fine. I think. Might regret that. Hmm. Yeah, something is still not jiving right here. So, what is this actually doing, right? Like, this is. What did I just lose? Something just randomly disconnected on me. I gotta get my camera working in Linux. This is so weird. Okay. Like it's just these random things I'm not happy about. Like I still am yeah, okay. Audio is still working at least. Wait, why would that? Sorry, just got a Twitch spam, and I am not a professional streamer, so chat. Yeah, can I just? How about delete? Fine. Go there. Let's see here. This can go over here, but I don't need it right now. Actually, I don't need that. All right. Here we go. And then the other one is my management window. So Twitch. No, I don't want to pin the message. I want to delete the message. Oh gosh. I'm hearing myself. I don't like that. Career dashboard maybe. Stream manager. Okay. I think I don't want to do that right now. I just wanted. Wait. Oh, what the heck? Sorry, I'm having a hard time. Like, where's the just delete this message? Please. Can we just. It's weird because, like, I was able to do this yesterday. Sorry. I don't suppose anybody knows where the button is to quick actions. No, I don't think that's it. I just need chat, my chat. Mod actions? No, that's not what I need. I need my chat. Why is it so hard to delete a message from Twitch chat? I literally just did this yesterday and it wasn't a problem. I've already kicked this person and banned them, and it's still here. Okay. I'm so confused. All right, I'm gonna have to ask Google, how do I delete a chat message from my Twitch channel chat? It's ridiculous. No, no. How about just from Twitch, please? None of these. No, that's 4 years ago. What about recently? Sorry. Like, I love that it's here. So, and then, site. Let's say site. Twitch TV. Let's see if we can get the official sending and receiving chat tools. Twitch. I don't want to watch a video. I want just a really simple. No, no. Uh-huh. No. That. Are you kidding me? Twitch. Why? Why are you so bad at such a simple thing? This is absurd. Wow. Odd view. Uh ban. Ah, finally. All right. Learn something. We got mod view going. Okay, back to the regularly scheduled program. I am trying to figure out, okay, yeah. So also, what is it building on this edge? So we got that. That's bigger than I really want it, but we can come back and figure that out, right? Because I don't need Git. I don't need OpenSNL. I honestly, like, let's just, we can have, I don't, what if I just get rid of that step entirely? Okay. Now it's copying, so the work directory is there. It's going to copy all of this stuff over. This is such not a great way to do it. I wonder, I gotta, let's check. Let's see what we got. So, how to run, turbo repo, set of turbo repo application, packages, as Docker container. Hold on. I gotta take a quick break. Be back in a little bit.